Getting up from your favorite chair is just a little bit harder than it used to be? Or may climbing stairs leave you breathless now? Or a quick trip to the mailbox feel like you ran a marathon? Here's what most doctors won't tell you. This isn't just getting old, and you don't have to accept it. What if I told you that the secret to stronger legs at 70, 80, or even 90 isn't some fancy supplement or complicated workout routine? It's sitting right in your kitchen. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to eat to rebuild your leg strength starting today. Let me paint a picture for you. You are 65, maybe 70, and one day getting up from the couch requires just a little bit more oomph. You shrug it off. A few months go by. Now the stairs, they are your nemesis. You're holding on to the railing, stopping halfway up, catching your breath. Fast forward 6 months, and even walking to your car has your legs trembling. What you're experiencing has a name: sarcopenia. It's the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. And yes, it happens as we age, but here's the truth bomb. It's not your age that's the problem, it's your nutrition. Your legs are screaming for the right fuel, while most people starve them without even knowing it. Why this matters? Listen, when your legs weaken, everything changes. Your balance goes, your independence disappears, the risk of a fall, a broken hip, losing your freedom, it all skyrockets. But here's the beautiful part. It's reversible. You can rebuild muscle strength at any age. The research proves it. And it starts with what you put on your plate. So, today I'm sharing 7 science-packed foods. It's in your fridge right now, but almost nobody eats it the right way. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Drop a comment and let me know, how old are you and where are you watching from? Now let's get into it. Food number 7, salmon, the muscle restorer. If there is one fish you must include in your diet, it's salmon. Here's why. It is absolutely full of omega-3 fatty acids. These are not only good for the heart, but are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that help your body rebuild muscle tissue faster. Moreover, salmon provides you with a shot of high-quality protein, along with vitamin D. That's a double punch to both your muscles and your bones. Well, there's really interesting research out of the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, where they discovered a group of older adults who, through regular consumption of omega-3s, actually gained more muscle and strength with very minimal exercise. Think about that. You're getting stronger by eating the right foods. How do you use it? Simple. Grill or bake your salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Don't overthink it. Season it with lemon, garlic, a little olive oil, pair it with some roasted vegetables or sweet potatoes, and you've got yourself a muscle-building powerhouse meal. Food number 6, oats, your steady energy builder. Now, you might be thinking, oats? Really? Yes, really. And here's why they're so important. Oats provide you with complex carbohydrates. Unlike sugar or white bread, which make your energy spike to then crash, oats gradually release their energy throughout the day. That means your legs have fuel when you need it, whether you're walking the dog or climbing those stairs. But there's more. Oats are packed with magnesium and iron. Magnesium keeps your muscles functioning smoothly, while iron delivers oxygen to your muscle cells. No oxygen, no energy, no strength. How do you eat them? Begin your day with a hearty bowl of oats. Toss in some fresh berries, maybe a splash of honey. Or if you're in a hurry, blend into a smoothie with banana and almond milk. You'll be feeling the difference in your energy levels within days. Food number 5, sweet potatoes, the recovery fuel. Sweet potatoes are really underrated. These orange beauties are nature's perfect recovery food. First, they're rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that prevent muscle cramps and fatigue. If you've ever woken up with leg cramps in the middle of the night, you need more potassium, period. Second, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, a strong antioxidant that fights inflammation. How to use them? Couldn't be easier. Wash one, poke some holes in it, bake it at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Consume after a walk or any other physical activity. Your muscles will thank you. Food number 4. Avocados, the nutrient absorber. I call avocados the helper food because they help your body absorb all the other good stuff you're eating. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and potassium. The fats help your muscles and nerves talk to each other, while the potassium helps control blood pressure. And here is the coolest part. Those very healthy fats will enable your body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Those vitamins are super important to having strong muscles and bones, but without fat, your body can't use them. How to use them? Slice half an avocado onto your morning toast. Blend some into your smoothie for a creamy texture. Toss it into your salad. Aim for 1 avocado a day, and you're supporting healthy blood flow. Food number 3. Berries. Berries are inflammation fighters. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, one isn't better than the other in fighting inflammation. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins. Now, I know that's a mouthful of a word, but here's what you need to know. Anthocyanins fight oxidative stress, which is basically rust forming on your muscle fibers. When those muscles are under oxidative stress, they weaken and break down at a far greater rate. Berries help to increase blood circulation. Better blood circulation means that more oxygen and nutrients will reach the muscles in your legs. How to use them? Mix a handful into your morning oatmeal. Stir them into Greek yogurt. Blend them into smoothies. And here's a money saver. Frozen berries are every bit as nutritious as fresh, and sometimes even more so because they're frozen at peak ripeness. Food number 2. Greek yogurt, the rebuilder. If you're serious about rebuilding muscle, Greek yogurt should be on your daily menu. Here's why it's so powerful. Greek yogurt includes 2 kinds of protein, whey and casein. Whey protein is fast-acting. It hits your muscles quicker to immediately start repair. Casein is slow release. It keeps feeding your muscles for hours. In other words, this means continuous muscle repair throughout the day and night. There is an interesting study in the journal Nutrients. Researchers tracked older adults who added some high-protein yogurt into their daily routine. Within 12 weeks, leg strength and mobility were noticeably improved. 12 weeks, that's it. How to use it? Consume 1 serving after a morning walk or any other form of exercise. Mix in berries and a little honey for a delicious taste and added antioxidants. Or have it as an intermeal snack just to keep the flow of protein to your muscles going throughout the day. Food number 1. Eggs, the ultimate muscle repairer. Eggs may be the most perfect food for leg strength, and I'm going to tell you why. First, eggs are packed with leucine. This is the amino acid that literally triggers muscle growth in your body. Without enough leucine, your muscles can't rebuild properly, no matter how much protein you eat. Second, eggs are packed with vitamin B12 and choline. These nutrients keep your nerves and muscles communicating effectively. Third, eggs are versatile and reasonably priced. How to use them? Scramble 2 eggs at breakfast time with a handful of spinach. Boil a few and store them in your refrigerator for quick snacking. Make an omelet with avocado and veggies. The list goes on and on. And here's a pro tip. Eat the whole egg, not just the whites. The yolk contains most of the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients your muscles need. The daily plan. Now, you don't have to eat all 7 of these foods every single day. Let me give you a simple daily plan that you can start tomorrow. Oats for breakfast with Greek yogurt and a handful of berries. Add a boiled egg on the side, perhaps. Lunch, a salmon salad with lots of greens, sliced avocado, and a light olive oil dressing. Dinner, roast sweet potatoes with scrambled eggs or grilled chicken. Steamed vegetables on the side. Snacks, Greek yogurt with berries or half an avocado on whole grain toast. See how simple that is? No complicated recipes, no expensive ingredients, just real food that rebuilds your strength one meal at a time. So right now, first, hit that like button if this video opened your eyes. Secondly, share it with a friend or family member who needs to hear this message. And lastly, subscribe to Doctor Suggestions and turn on notifications so you never miss our doctor-backed advice for living stronger longer. Leave a comment below and tell me, which of these 7 foods are you going to start eating today? I read every single comment and I love hearing your stories. Remember, age is just a number, but strength is a choice. See you in the next video. Now go make yourself a powerful meal and take back your strength. You got this.